What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos educational channel. My name is T. Hobbs from the Crypto Shop, and of course, you know I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Ladies and gentlemen, it is the year of the Trumpster, and he has been in the news once again. As you know, one, he decided to run for president again, and two, now he's being potentially indicted. That being said, I don't care about the politics part of it. I'm here for the crypto and the news. That being said, NFTs, as you know, are a very, very hot topic in the Web3 space. Donald Trump released an NFT project about 3 to 4 months ago. It went crazy. They sold off the shelf very, very fast, and then they kind of cooled off. Now, recently, as we're going to read in this story today, the floor price has been increasing because of the most recent news. So, Justin, go ahead and take us through it, man.
Yeah, so his True Social company, it might not have budged off the news of, him potentially being arrested, but his NFTs, they decided to go up. So let's take a look. In 2022, sales of NFTs experienced a downward trend. However, the NFT marketplace experienced a noteworthy shift when news of Donald Trump's NFT launch surfaced. On December 15, 2022, Trump unveiled his inaugural NFT collection titled Donald Trump's Digital Card Collection, which showcased artistic representations, and we take that very lightly, of his life and career. The collection was met with a great deal of interest and promptly sold out the following day, which was insane. I think they sold out the most NFTs ever, by the number of NFTs that he had and the quickest. But as a result, the NFTs value surged from their initial price point of $99. Following the news of the probable indictment and arrest of Trump, the floor price of the NFT spiked by 30%. Jeez. So according to OpenSea, the Trump digital trading cards were trading at 0.53 ETH. It is a visible spike from 0.33 ETH price last week. The spike in price is a follow-up to the news that he might get arrested. According to Fox News, it is believed that the charges may be related to the payment made to Stormy Daniels. If you don't know who she is, you can do your own research on that. During the peak of the 2016 election, in order to keep her quiet, aka that hush hush money. So, Hobbs, what do you think about these NFTs? Going up 30%.
I mean, it's expected, right? This crypto space that we are in, guys, if you haven't realized it, it is the degen land, degenerate space for investors. If Elon Musk tweets about a dog, that dog token is going to go up. If Donald Trump gets arrested and or elected, his NFTs are going to go up. People buy the hype. This is yet another situation where I don't know if this is positive for his legacy. I'm seriously doubting that. However, it's news, right? People are buying the news on these NFTs. It's the one thing that has kind of immortalized him in the Web3 space. So whether it be his followers, whether it be Web3 traders, whether it be people who are new to NFTs and realize just today he got NFTs, somebody's buying them and it's creating a want and a need for those NFTs, which makes sense, but it doesn't make sense. It's DGN land. That being said, I would love to hear what you guys think in the comments down below. Keep it PG, please. Hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to come back and check out more content by myself and Jay Seals. This is the ClearCryptos educational channel, and we will catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.